dump truck? Huh. Is that cool? You like that? Did the Easter Bunny bring that? We got some books. You see the books? Hey, Dr. Seuss, huh? Dr. Seuss book. You're knocking Mama out with your ears. You want to see? You want to do this, Dad? Yeah. Do you see? And look. So we can play with those in the bed? You want to? Your Mama's going to take your ears off, okay? And then look. Let's see. Got some stickers. And some more stickers. And some sidewalk chalk. Look, buddy. And bubbles. Bubbles, huh? And drools. And some egg. Hear it? Yay, buddy. Oh, he's so silly. That's so cool. You want to sit in your dump truck? Say, look at me, everybody. Probably the safest thing. Say Happy Easter.
Hey, buddy Daniel. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. Hey, Daddy.
Say Happy Easter. La 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 la. Happy Easter. Arr.
Talk to everybody. Yeah.
What is that? That's a big truck.
First big dump truck. First truck.
Do you have the keys to the truck? No keys.
You're Ryan and Kelsey.
Mama, give Daniel kisses from all the family.
Say Happy Easter, everybody. We love you. We love you. Happy Easter.
Daniel. 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 Hey, Daniel, say hi. Say hi. Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
We
Yeah,
love
good
you.
job.